a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we are doing some bomb Thanksgiving nails, so I hope you guys enjoy this look. I was out of town doing a class on this particular day, so it was a few things that I didn't have with me at the time, but I will, talk about that when we get there, okay? So here I am taking my practice hand and I'm kind of shaping up these nails. If you have seen this practice hand before, you know the tip is kind of rounded and I prefer like a coffin shape. So I just, went ahead and did that. Now I am applying some white acrylic, and I think I showed this to you guys before. I picked this up from Amazon. It's not really the best. It does have some marbling and some other things going on with it. And it was kind of cold in the area I was working in. So yes, but for practicing, I feel like it works pretty good, so that's why I mainly use it when I am working on a practice hand. So I did all of the nails white. I tried to do some with the pink, but the pink wasn't really showing up with the color of these nails. For this video, I left a lot of the material in, the application, the filing, all of that good stuff that I typically kind of zoom through. That way you guys could kind of get, a better look of the things that I do when I do nails. So for this look, we are using water decals. You can get them in all kind of styles, designs, everything. So I wanted the background to be white. That's why I'm going in on all of the nails with white. You can do it however you would like to. If you guys have any questions about how I apply acrylic or dip powder, please put that in the comments. If you guys have any designs or something that you want me to do, definitely put that in the comments as well. I told you guys before that I wanted to show you guys some of the water decals that you could get from my website. So that's what this video was for. I wanted to put the water decals on my nails on that orange and red kind of marble background. But by the time I made this video, my nails had started growing out. So I decided to just do a whole look. So these are the water decals. You can go grab some of these from my website in the description bar. Make sure you go to the nail store link and you can find this as well as some of the other nail products that I use from Hoot. So I decided to go with the Thanksgiving decals with the turkeys and all of that fun stuff. So what you want to do is just take it out of the pack and you want to cut it. So I still have that plastic piece on the top. You don't want to completely remove that just yet until right when you're about to use them. I like to cut it with all of that still on there. So these are the ones that I'm going to be using. Now I'm going to cut them out a little bit more, go around them, remove some of that excess, and I'm going to remove the clear coating off of the top. Now I'm sure you guys have seen these done a lot of different ways. You can get a cup of water, put them in there, I don't really like to do that. You're going to see me do my favorite method, which is just basically spraying water on it. So you guys are going to see how easy that is. So I'm going to go ahead and file the nails before I apply them because I want to encapsulate these in. You can put them on top of the nail and seal them in with nail polish or gel polish or anything like that, but I like to encapsulate mine. I really don't like to fool with a lot of nail polish. I am for no polish designs. So I'm going to file the nails just so that you know the decal is not laying on a rough or bumpy surface or anything like that. I am using the Tammy Taylor Peel and Stick file. Another YouTuber that I absolutely adore, VEE, she uses this and I had to go grab it. So here you see me just spraying the decals. That simple, just spray it, get you a little spray bottle, and watch this. I take some tweezers and it just slides right off. So one thing that I would suggest, Maniology has a sticky base coat or like a sticky top coat base or something that you can use when you are stamping. I think that would pair great with the water decals. You can, give the water decals something to stick to, and then you can go in with your top coat or your gel polish or whatever else you want to use. For this particular class, I didn't bring any of my Maniology stuff with me. I just brought these water decals. I did bring some of my stamping stuff with me, but I really wanted to work with the water decals because that's something that I promised you guys that I would show you. So now I'm just going in and capping it in clear. So this is, that same clear that I showed y'all that I got from Amazon. Not fancy or anything, just something that I plan to use while I'm working on my practice hand. So I basically start my first bead at that cuticle area and kind of just carry it down the nail. I have been kind of liking this method lately. So that's what I'm going to rock with. I used to do my first bead toward the tip of the nail, but now I am, kind of just working that bead down. Then you want to go back and make sure you add another bead to make sure that your apex is in place and to add strength to the nail. And of course you want to look at your nail, down the barrel of the nail. Look at it from the side just to make sure that the shape and everything is nice. Also, don't be afraid to turn that brush upside down and wipe going up. That way all of your product can blend together nicely. And I really love these nails, you guys. Please leave some comments below and let me know what you guys think. Let me know which decals were your favorite that I showed in the video so that we can get some more water decal looks going. I also like to use water decals when using dual forms. So I haven't used dual forms on the channel in a hot minute. So if you guys want me to bring those back, definitely put that in the comments below. So after I have all of the acrylic on and that is set, I'm going back in with that Tammy Taylor peel and stick file just to, you know, further define that shape and smooth out any lumps and bumps or anything like that before I go in with my top coat. The top coat that I'm going to use is super cheap. I think I got it from the Dollar Tree. It's called Super Dry. I particularly use this when I am working on my practice hand, just because, you know, the hand is not going to get up and bump itself on anything or anything like that. It's just going to stay there at my table and dry. One of my favorite top coats that I used to get at Sally's, it is discontinued, so I'm super sad about that. So I am on the market for another top coat. Right now, this Super Dry from the Dollar Tree is working pretty good. So if you guys have any other cheap top coat suggestions, then leave those in the comments as well. You want to make sure that you are filing around that cuticle area. You want it flush to the natural nail. So you don't want, you know, any bulkiness in that area because it can cause lifting. And doing this on a practice hand really helps you kind of define that cuticle line so you can practice your cuticle application. After I file, I like to go in with a buffer. This just really goes in and fully smooths out everything so that it's smooth to touch. Sometimes I take my thumb on my other hand to kind of feel it and make sure that it's smooth. Also, as you can see, this practice hand was giving me a little grief. But do not worry, okay, because I have some new practice hands that I cannot wait to show y'all. Before I start using it, I'm going to do a video showing it to you, telling you where I got it from, some issues, and all of that stuff. So stay tuned to that. You might have seen it in the background of one of my videos when I was doing the big looks in October, so you might already have a hint about what kind of hand it is. After I did this, I was like, man, I wish I would have did this on my actual nails because it came out so cute. So here I'm just going in with that top coat, quick and simple. I did 2 coats of this and just let it dry. So I really hope that you guys love it as much as I do. It is so pretty. The Happy Thanksgiving was just like the perfect touch. Like, man, I really want this on my nails. Watching this video, I might just have to go do this on my nails. So make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We are trying to get a play button in 2021. Okay, so let's do it. Share this with your friends, with your mama, your cousin, everybody. All right, so remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.